finally got the FPV. Hello guys, I finally just got this FPV racing drone from DJI. I'm actually waiting for a long time for this. Like what I said, I actually predicted it. If you guys seen my video, everything that I said is basically, if you see that video, you're gonna see it now, you'd be like, wow, you know. But anyway, yeah, so this thing comes with everything here. You guys can see, I know it's a lot of unboxing already. And I'm just, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you what I feel and what I think of this FPV racing drone from DJI. Everything is good. I'm just surprised for how it comes with. It comes with the V2 goggles. You can see here. The quality of it, by having it in my hand, it just remind me of the, I would say, the goggles FPV that I had in the past. But this one here is totally different. I'm just surprised how come is the charger on the goggles is separated. That's the only thing weird about it, you know. I thought we have an internal charge for the goggles, the same thing as the other DJI goggles. But you can see here, I'm just surprised how it comes, and I'm actually waiting for a while, man, for this, and I finally got it. So, and I'm just showing you guys here the controller is a bit smaller than average, than I would say to a Mavic Mini 2 and also Mavic Air 2. And yeah, and you guys can see here, this just the looks and everything. I just like the way it looks, I think it's alien look to it. So it's just unique how you have to pull that battery out. But everything is nice on this one, man. I like the bottom position sensor and also the LED light. I haven't really messed around with that yet, but I can't wait. But anyway, you can see here with my 250 quad, I actually predicted it before this thing even was released. It was just a rumor back then, and I would said to everyone already, this is gonna be probably like the same size as this quad. So if you guys see this video, you should definitely check out my other video of this drone FPV from DJI that I made a while back before when it was just a leak. And you can see here with the tello here, that'd be so nice if DJI come up with a smaller version of this, like I would say like the mini FPV racing drone. I would say like 150 or less than that, because this one right here, that's the way size like 250 of size, even the micro racing drone to be nice also, the smaller version of it. But everything is, I'm just surprised how it comes. That's the way, like the color of it just nice, especially with my iPhone. I just like this gray look. I mean, most of even my electric scooter, this color gray, and also with my Xiaomi Nightbot Go-Kart Pro version of it. So yeah, the colors really stand out. That's what I like about this color also, just letting you guys know. I actually check out what I said about stimulator video before. They're gonna have it on the goggles. I said that already, and they're gonna have the app. So even the flight simulator, I actually predicted that too. So yeah, it's weird, but anyway, here you go. And super excited. I just can't wait to take this out in the field and show you guys what this thing can do. Is all about now, even though the hype is all gone. And you guys can see here the propeller, guys. So I was correct. So I'm gonna put the link here so you guys can also see that video, because I actually predicted it before it was even like rumors leaked or something, Again, so I just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And now I have it in my hand, man. I just can't wait to actually see what this thing can do.